could hear you, but yeah.
The infamous cat.
Yes, I meant to, I was afraid I set it on my truck to get my other junk in. But I couldn't. Yeah, well, cool. I'll have to come by and pick it up one day, but it's no big deal. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it up and have it clean for it. Yeah. Hey, did you check with that place about them, the shelving?
Okay, time to go find some more cats. The infamous dog. Hey, Cersei.